What's going on, believers? Guys, I have partnered with YCLUB. YCLUB is short for Yacht Club, and they have some of the sickest NFTs that you have seen. And I'm here to tell you, we're going to do the preamble here where I'm going to talk to you for just a second. I'm going to tell you to like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, and leave a comment down below so that this video gets seen by as many people as possible. But when we get past the preamble and I tell you that, and I tell you that I'm always right, and we look at the intro, and then we get past that intro, I'm going to show you a video. And once I've shown you that video, we're going to go to the white paper. Then we're going to kind of kick the tires, so to speak, look around on their website, see what it is that we see. But by the time I get done, you're going to be wanting a yacht for yourself. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right.
Let's get it. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast, then again around bedtime. Bet this, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right.
Okay, guys, I'm going to show you this video. Once this video is done, it takes about 45 seconds, but I want you to see this because I want you to see the effort. I want you to just think about the energy that was put into this project to get to this point. It is absolutely bonkers. I met with these guys and I was on a conference call, and I met with these guys a month ago. I was on a conference call across the world. I had somebody in California. I had somebody in Spain. I had somebody, look, I had guys all over the world talking about this. This is a big time project. So let's watch it without further ado and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And then we're going to talk about the white paper. All right, guys, if you're a Bored Ape Yacht Club member, then you know exactly what you just saw. And I'm here to tell you that this is on another level. These guys have put in a lot of effort, a lot of work in the last little while, and this thing is absolutely out of control. Okay, guys, we're going to move on to the white paper. I want you guys to look this over. Now, first of all, this is going to be at yclub.io. We're going to go through all the socials. You can find them in the description below. This is their Twitter account, yclub_io, but we are right now on the white paper. Okay, guys, to go watch this video for yourself, go to at yclub_io. If you want to get in their Discord, it's discord.dg/YClub. You can get in there also. And we are moving over right now to yclub.io because I want you to look at the white paper. We're going to be skipping through some of the white paper. It's not all important because some of it is just fluff because you have to put it in there. But we're going to talk about some portions of it. All right, guys, we're going to start off here. YCLUB NFTs. This is just really a little bit of a breakdown of NFTs. As NFTs rise in popularity, there's an opportunity to establish a fluid ecosystem that blurs the perceived divide between real-world and digital asset NFTs. YCLUB offers high-value clients the opportunity to engage in YCLUB NFT investments and real-world super yacht crowd-funded investments via an exclusive marketplace, the entrance to which is guaranteed by the ownership of scarce NFTs. This is not for everybody. This is for serious investors only. So if you're not a serious investor, you might want to back out now. YCLUB offers its community a complete ecosystem that provides a primary marketplace for NFTs and a secondary marketplace for exchanging NFTs. The YCLUB NFT proposition bridges the community into the wider ecosystem, which includes two further components, YCLUB DeFi and the YCLUB Metaverse, which you can... YCLUB DeFi has established itself as a robust alternative investment mechanism. Customers seek sound investment opportunities. This is your DeFi area. This means that they are going to be in the DNFT market. So you're going to be looking at DeFi NFTs. You're not going to be looking at centralized NFTs. Then over here, we have the Metaverse. YCLUB will provide its community members with access to an immersive metaverse. Each Super Yacht NFT collection will be launched into our metaverse, starting with the launch of Superverse Yacht Lana, a 107-meter Benetti yacht. This metaverse will provide a rich user experience for the Super Yacht NFT and act as a hub for the community. And these are scale models inside this. By the way, when you are inside this Super Yacht in this metaverse, you are literally inside one of these 107-meter Benettis. So when you get on it, when you look at it, and then when you go out and when you get on a real one, you will obviously you're going to notice the difference. It's the metaverse, but you will see how striking the similarities are. These have been built to scale immaculately. They're actually very incredible. The metaverse not only acts as a social club to mesh the communities together in the virtual, it also creates revenue streams. The metaverse supports an e-commerce marketplace and events mechanism where users may spend, invest, trade NFTs, and be rewarded in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or the native coin SYC. The revenue generated within the metaverse will be divided between the YCLUB community and the Super Yacht owners. Now, let's move on here. NFT trading, while many Web3 services allow users to mint NFTs, users then tend to move it off platform to trade with the NFT on trading sites such as OpenSea. This reduces the lifetime value of the client. Client lifetime value is composed of a client's average spend, their spend frequency, and their lifespan as a customer. The contribution of this final factor of the overall value of clients can't be overstated. Ecosystems are required that encourage community members to stay and trade within the community. And that's what this is about community building that these guys are looking at. There's a huge potential for early players in the rapidly expanding Web3 metaverse, and the growth of NFTs is closely linked to this expansion. Various drivers are at work as the user-supported community becomes increasingly sophisticated and responsive to the issues as the product on many social media platforms. Digital identities will continue to shift from self-identification as required by platforms such as Facebook to pseudonymous identities represented by NFT images, as is becoming more common in Twitter. So basically, the anonymity that you are missing with Facebook, the control that you have over yourself and your profile in Web3, that you've kind of lost in Web 2 with Facebook and all these other places, you're going to have an opportunity to regain. Bored Ape Yacht Club, DNFTs, for example, are not just used as profile pictures. Ownership guarantees access to a members-only Discord server, a Bored Ape Yacht Club community forum. If the success of the Bored Ape Yacht Club teaches us anything, it's that people value exclusivity. Yuga Labs Bored Ape community grew rapidly because of the exclusivity under the influence of celebrities, sports influencers, and social media influencers. NFTs became a status symbol. So it's notable that such communities are involved, value the opportunity to drive the business, and can be a vibrant source of innovation and income. For example, Doodles members have been able to vote one NFT to one vote as a vote scale model on proposals for scaling the Doodles team, selecting Doodles live events, and funding 3D Doodles project. The Doodles community-initiated project Doodle Bank has implemented 2 successful proposals since launch. Doodles, a doodle picture of the profile, generated 48.9 ETH for the Doodle Bank treasury. The second community approval proposal was a free airdrop for Doodles holders that cost the treasury just a tenth of this at 4.2 ETH. So now we're going to talk about the tokenomics just a little bit, get an idea of what it is that we're looking at right here. The average person is starting to question the utility of owning their UFTs in the same way that such a coin such as Bitcoin or Ethereum does not guarantee income at the point of sale. There's the risk that the NFT investment depreciates. This means that just as there are vibrant DeFi ecosystems offering earnings for holdings, interest on coins held in the ecosystem wallet, the market needs an equivalent solution to allow NFT traders to generate passive income and expand the NFT model beyond attempt to sell at a profit. That's where we are really, right? So I'm going to ask you at this point to kind of read over this at your leisure, because we want to talk about what the solution is. This is the YCLUB solution is right here. The DeFi services provided by the YCLUB community allow members to earn passive income from digital assets, that is the NFT and the native Yacht Club coin, SYC. In addition, holding PNFTs provide access to the revenue share that's the outcome of the crowd-funded super yachts yearly revenues. The value proposition that the YCLUB DeFi offers its community is its capability to remove the barriers to the entry and at the same time leverage the dual advantages of DeFi and the real-world income streams. The DeFi marketplace will act as a one-stop shop for YCLUB communities where they can access the DEX, non-custodial staking rewards, non-custodial crypto wallet, and an NFT marketplace to trade DNFTs and PNFTs. The revenue offers the NFT market the first ecosystem to leverage passive income generation according to the model. These guys are going to share in the revenue produced by this marketplace. This is non-expirable passive income. By holding the YCLUB crypto, the NFTs of the YCLUB crypto wallet, community members gain cashback rewards for their loyalty in SYC. In addition to passive in-ecosystem gains, PNFT holders also receive revenue generated from leveraging the crowd-funded super yacht both in the real and in the metaverse. The NFTs are going to launch, by the way, on July 31st, which we're going to get to in just a moment. Each scarce NFT is a key allowing the holder to enter the metaverse community and engage in exclusive DeFi investment opportunities. This full suite of DeFi tools enables community members to leverage unique investments at below market rate costs. And you're going to be able to see that. Part of attracting and retaining a loyal customer base is ensuring that the service you offer differentiates you from the competition. In this regard, YCLUB intends to ensure that our community enjoys the minimal fees for transacting via their crypto wallet. Now, that's going to come from, additionally, to encourage the community members to stay within the YCLUB ecosystem, royalty fees will be 1% to the creator of the NFTs, and no marketplace fees will be applied. This is in contrast to OpenSea, which charges a 2.5% royalty fee, which is typically 5 to 10%, which will encourage the community to trade their NFTs digital physical within the YCLUB's marketplace rather than in a third-party marketplace. There's a lot, guys, there's really a lot to like here. The ERC20 token, community-driven governance of the metaverse development, will ensure that all governance decisions are transparent and auditable. The YCLUB native coin, the SYC, is an ERC20 governance and utility token. Ownership of SYC qualifies community members to engage with various community-level decisions. So you're effectively entering into a DAO at this point, and with this token. And the SYC Tokenomics, you will see right here, the maximum supply will be 100 million. This will be the upper limit of coins that will be created and released. The initial supply will be 13,100,000. The supply of coins initially made available for trade on the secondary market and crypto exchanges such as Binance. The supply of coins will be distributed as per Table 1. And this gives you the allocation here, showing you the team keeps 12%, 38% is going to the treasury and liquidity, 50% is going into the ecosystem. So that gives you a breakdown of what they are. And then here's a breakdown so that you can get a little bit deeper into it and check each one of these out at your own leisure. Again, all you have to do is go to YCLUB.io. You can check this thing out as you move along. And I think this is a pretty exciting thing. The NFTs will be minted on ERC 1155 tokens compatible with the EVM ERC 1155. Allows each token ID to represent a new token type with configurable metadata. This reduces the amount of data required to distinguish one token from another, which supports the generation of a collection of NFTs by the owners of physical assets who onboard these into the YCLUB ecosystem. And that right there is key, guys. You're going to be able to upload physical assets into this ecosystem. So let's move on a little bit. Now, guys, if you're at the YCLUB.io website, you can check it out. And remember, when I talk to you about this stuff, these guys have spared absolutely no expense in making this just as pleasing as could possibly be. And you can see here, there's a whole lot of different vision that they have. There's a whole lot of different artwork that they've been working on. And we're getting closer to that launch period. We're at this, listen, we have not reached the launch period yet. So here we are still in quarter one, research and development, concept development, which is already done. Then we're in quarter two right now, which is the roadmap, funding, tokenomics, white paper, website art, video, smart contract, and audit. And here we are, quarter three in the caravel, and we're going to see that first DNFT collection mint. That does happen on July 31st. Spoiler alert, here's the NFT calendar showing you that on July 30 through August 6th. The YCLUB is a project that builds mega yachts in the metaverse to be chartered and experienced by different brands, with revenue share going directly to YCLUB NFT holders. With its first collection of 7,000 NFTs to be released on public market, YCLUB is bringing the highest level of extravagance to every person so that they too can share in the emotional connection and excitement that comes with a mega yacht experience in the metaverse and IRL. Now, there is no data or information that is currently available that we are able to share with IRL, but of course, obviously, you guys know that means in real life. So there's some big things coming. And remember, this is a 107-meter Benetti yacht as the first yacht. So you guys are going to, as investors, experience something that you only dreamed about. And several people joked about, well, those jokes that were way back when, those are now a reality with YCLUB. So let's move on. All right, guys, I've talked a lot about YCLUB tonight. I hope that you took the time to listen to me. I may have bored you to tears because I did do a lot of reading, but I'm very excited about this project, and I'm excited about the people, the team behind it, the effort that went into it, the effort that's gone into this metaverse. There are so many things to like about this team and this project. Now, obviously, we need to see the contract. Obviously, I'm not giving you financial advice, but I am telling you that I'm excited by what I've seen so far. Now, you can go check out, by the way, Rodney just had an AMA with these guys, so you'll be able to go check that out and watch and see how these guys handled the pressure of my crypto journey. So, I really like what's going on here. We're going to see how this plays out over the next couple of weeks, days, and months. And I think this is going to be a good one. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I am always right. And golly, I always wanted to have a yacht.
Let's get it. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet, that bing bada bing ching ching big profit. Even when the market's sideways, I'm looking for ways to get paid. I'm checking my coins around breakfast, then again around bedtime. Bet this, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right. I'm always right.